The word we'll be learning in this section is songai, which you will often hear in situations involving financial discussions, insurance claims, or when talking about reparations for harm caused. Discover how to effectively use this word and broaden your understanding of Japanese language and culture. Make sure to tune in and enhance your vocabulary skills today. Sondai. Sondai. The word songai means damage in English. It refers to harm or injury that causes loss or destruction, either in a physical, financial, or reputational context. You might hear this term used when talking about a damaged object, a financial loss, or a negative effect on one's reputation. The first kanji means loss or damage. It shows up in words like sonshitsu, which means loss, and sonsuru, which means to suffer a loss, and the character gives the sense of something being reduced or losing value. The second kanji means harm or injury. You can see it in words like gaichu, meaning pest, and mugai, meaning harmless, and the character carries the idea of causing damage or danger. He suffered damage. 彼は損害を受けた。彼は損害を受けた。The typhoon caused damage. 台風が損害を与えた。台風が損害を与えた。I receive compensation for the damage. 損害の補償を受けます。損害の補償を受けます。He suffered a loss. 彼は損害にあった。彼は損害にあった。I suffer a loss. 私は損害を被ります。私は損害を被ります。The most common synonyms of the word songai are higai and sonshitsu. Higai is often used to refer to actual harm or damage suffered, particularly by people. It's commonly heard in news about disasters. Sonshitsu focuses more on losses, especially in financial contexts, indicating a reduction in value or resources. The most common antonyms of the word songai are rieki and poku. Rieki refers to gain or profit, often in a business context, signifying a positive outcome or advantage. Toku is more about receiving benefit or advantage, and it indicates a favorable condition or circumstance, distinct from damage or loss.